Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to download and install Anaconda Python in Windows 10 11. So, let's get started. First things first. Open your browser. Then search for Anaconda Python download. Then click on the first official link. Once it is opened, enter your email address. Then check Agree. Then click on Submit. Then click on Download button. There are Windows, Linux and Mac OS version. I have Windows computer. So, I will download the Windows version. Click on it and it will start downloading. I have already downloaded it. So I will not download it. Once it is installed, click on it to open it. Then click on Next. Then click on Agree. Then click on Just for me or select All users. Then click on Next. Then select your destination folder. Then click on Next. Then click on Install. Then it will start installing. Once it is installed, click on Next. Then click on Next again. Then click on Finish. Then your app will be opened. Voila! And that's how you download and install Anaconda Python in Windows 10 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.